I occasionally get gardening questions from gardeners about those little petunias they're seeing in the local nurseries these days. Well, actually, they're not little petunias. They're a different plant altogether. Now, here you see petunias, and we've used petunias in our flower beds for years and years and years. They're reliable and a really nice choice. But the plant that you're seeing that has smaller flowers is a different plant called cali-bruh-coh-a. And these cali-bruh-cohas are relatively newer on the scene, but they're a delightful plant just like the petunias are. Now you can see the flowers are smaller, the leaves are smaller, and they also have a spreading habit kind of like petunias do, but usually more compact. This one's a really delightful one right here that's just come onto the market. It's called Lemon Slice. It has this bicolor yellow and white flower that I think is going to be really popular. Now you can see this probably more clearly as I move back here to these hanging baskets. Again, this is the petunia hanging basket. You can see the larger flowers and leaves, and this is cali-bruh-coh-a. You can see again the smaller leaves and the smaller flowers, but they're really grown very much the same way. They like a nice sunny situation, and they're great for this time of the year because in March we're transitioning from the cooler weather of winter to the warmer weather of summer. And this time of the year we can still have some light freezes occurring. These petunias and cali-bruh-cohas are hardy down into the 20s, so even if we should have a late freeze, they'll survive and do quite well. So if you're thinking about something nice to put in the garden right now that can take some late freezes, cali-bruh-cohas and petunias, two great choices. For Get It Growing, I'm Dan Gill with the LSU Ag Center.